Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You must start the real work in an elevated command prompt. That's why you run CMD as administrator. Once done, you cancel timers directly rather than guessing in settings. First, press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Confirm the UAC prompt. Then type Shutdown/A to see if an active timer exists. This immediate command both queries and cancels. It fails if there is no pending shutdown, so make sure you actually have a scheduled shutdown to abort. If Shutdown/A tells you there's nothing to abort, you need to find what scheduled it. You list scheduled tasks with tasks/query/fo list/v to reveal verbose details. This shows triggers, next run times, and commands. Once you see a task running shutdown, exe or a script that calls it, you understand the why, a scheduled task, not user action. Then disable or remove that specific task using shtasks/change/tn task name. /disable or shtask. To finish, check whether a service is initiating the shutdown. You use scQueryX to inspect services and netstop service name to halt a problematic one temporarily. Once stopped, run Shutdown/A again to confirm the timer is gone. Make sure to reconfigure or delete the offending task or change the service startup type to avoid repetition. If things go wrong, open Event Viewer. Filter System, logs for event ID around the shutdown time to find the source, and then fix that task or service accordingly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.